How to fix no sound on Google Maps. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to get voice directions working again. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device and start a route to check if navigation audio is actually missing. From there, press the volume button on the side of your device to bring up the volume panel. After that, make sure your media volume is turned up, since Maps uses media volume for voice directions rather than ringer volume. At this point, if it's still silent, swipe down to open the quick panel and confirm your device isn't on silent or vibrate mode. Following this, check whether your phone is connected to Bluetooth headphones or a car system that might be disconnected or out of range. From here, if that's not the issue, open Google Maps and tap your profile picture at the top right. At this stage, tap Settings. Following this, tap Navigation Settings. From here, scroll down to Voice Level. At this stage, make sure it's not set to Do Not Play Voice or a similarly muted option. Following this, if it's already set correctly, long press the Google Maps app icon from your home screen or app drawer. From here, tap App Info. At this stage, tap Storage. Following this, tap Clear Cache. From here, back out and tap App Details in Store to check for an available update and install it if there is one. Once updated, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. Finally, open Maps and start a route again to check if the voice directions are working properly. That's how you fix no sound on Google Maps. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.